And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy. Bring it in towards the heart and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. Then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to about shoulder height. Then the arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up, breathing out, softening down. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then if you like, this time you can do a side bend, but always easing in, never forcing it. And once more to the other side, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. And then the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. Then the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then across the lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree, bring it right to the center, shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. And then shift back as you draw the hands in, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, the palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, and then back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need, as long as you're breathing. It's my only rule, is that you do breathe. One more time, parting the clouds. And then from here, step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight and step in. And then step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. No rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, and then back out to the corner, parting the clouds. See if you can feel the air between the fingers. How mindful can you be? One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. Bring it right to center. And then from here, both hands drift over to the side and down, and then just drifting side to side like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step back in and hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth and then giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang. Creating balance and harmony in the body and the mind. And then softening down one more time, rising up. And then this time, reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. The top hand goes behind the back just for now. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. And then circle it around again, toss away as if you could toss the moon. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon, the bottom hand floats up, the other hand pushes down. And then circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. As long as you're moving, I'm happy. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, parting the wild horse's mane. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, the wrists cross right up top. Then the arms float down as you circle out and around, and then coming back up top, crossing the wrists. Circle it around again, the princess on the mountaintop. And just coming up as much as you can comfortably. Circle it around once more, the princess on the mountaintop. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree right out in front. From here, the arms open wide, and then this hand scoops under. Step in as you catch the moon. Top hand goes away just for now, right behind the back. And then step out to the corner. The bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again. Toss away. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. The calm within the storm. All right, one more time, parting the wild horse's mane. This time the bottom hand comes up, the wrists cross. The arms float down as you circle out and around, coming back up to the mountain peak. Circle it around again, the princess on the mountaintop. All right, one more time, breathing in, breathing out. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. Then the arms open wide, the hands float down. The palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Creating mental focus and clarity, calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down, and then this time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.